Ooh. Wow, look at that look. Kung lang sabihin, sultry. Yoo-hoo. Silky voice. Wow. Ooh. Parang kamukha niya si Celine Dion. Ay, parang Celine Dion of the Philippines. No? Pero hindi. Hindi, may sarili siyang estilo. Ang ganda ng kanyang kontrol, oh. May dynamics. Ang ganda ng mid-section, mid-chest tones niya. Mix na mix. Parang professional na ito si Chloe. Wow, she handled that transition, change of key, without any problem. Oh, wow! Look at that ad-lib. Ang galing ng pagka-arpeggio niya. Strong chest, high chest tones. Nako, ini-imagine ko to. Kung iba yung kinanta niya, mas dramatic siguro. One is such a nice song. It's such fresh, pero yung type of voice niya, na parang gusto ko pa siyang pakinggan with another song. Siguro maybe a Whitney Houston, a Mariah Carey, or maybe a Lani Misalucha song. So para lumabas talaga yung high chest tones. Ang ganda ng mix ng voice ni Chloe talaga.